Hey YouTube, back again for my second video on a wig review from Amazon. The company is actually called Jessica Hair. I'm actually wearing it now. It's my first human hair lace wig and I love it. And I don't know if I'm biased because it's my first human hair lace wig or if it's actually that good. I think it's that good. But yeah, if you want to check it out. I did color and bleach it myself and cut and apply myself. I have a client who actually loved what I did to it and wants me to do the same for her. So I'm here with my second order. It actually looks like this. I'll go through the whole process with you guys on how I wash, color, cut, and apply this lace. Please like, comment, subscribe, give me tips, anything at all that I can use. Let's spread knowledge, guys. Spread it. So the hair just came in. I'm taking it out the package now. It came with a neck cap, some lashes, and as I'm taking it out, it doesn't have any odor, and it's extremely soft. The curls are defined as ever, so that was a plus. So yeah, I was pretty excited to get started. Side note, disregard this tissue paper on my nose. It was a rough week. I wasn't feeling too hot. I don't look too hot throughout this whole little skit. But yeah. It did come with 4 clips, one in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. It also is pre-plucked, and they say the knots are already bleached, but I bleach it again. Some people would actually go back and pluck it some more, but I'm not that skilled, so I'm not doing that today. But moving on to bleaching the knots, I am using the BW lightening powder, and I mixed that 2 scoops with 30 developer. Some people use 40. That's a bit too high for me. I like to keep it safe and do 30. And I mix that up, and the whole point is to actually keep it as thick and smooth as possible, because you don't want it to seep through the lace and get onto the hair. See how thick this is? That's how you want to get it, so it does not seep through the lace. Now, as I'm applying this, you want to take your time and smooth it on. Do not press hard in any area. And I know it kind of looks like I'm pressing, but it's because it's sped up. But at the beginning, I can say I was not pressing it hard at all. It was very light. I think this whole process actually took me 30 minutes because I was trying to take my time and do it. But at the end of the day, I still had some bleach seep into my lace, which sucks. But yeah, can just continue that throughout the whole front lace. I honestly feel like this is where I fucked up at. All this extra padding that you see I'm doing, I think that was maybe a little unnecessary. That probably caused the leakage onto the hair. So don't do that. Ooh, especially right there. No, girl, what is you doing? But yeah, you know, you live and you learn. My next one won't be like this. I think I'm going to actually use a different technique because this is the second time I've used this technique and the bleach seep through. So I know there's different methods and the whole spoon thing. I think I'm going to try that next time because this obviously ain't working for me. Moving along, I ready to wash it out. I did let it sit for like 30 minutes. Anything longer than that is too much, I would say. But yeah, I'm washing it out. This angle isn't that great, but I promise I'm getting my angles down. Please just grow with me, guys. Grow with me. This is where I'm noticing that, yep, I fucked up. The bleach has seeped through the lace and is onto the hair. Now I got blonde roots. Ain't nobody got time for that. But this also gives me another opportunity for another video. I will do a course correction on how I fix this over bleach knots. Like, how can you get jiggy with this? You can't get jiggy with that. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and start washing the hair. I am using my purple shampoo by Shiny Silver Ultra. I've used this multiple times, especially on my real hair when I needed to knock out that yellow orange color. And I love it. It smells great. So you definitely want to have some orange shampoo. Did I say orange? Purple shampoo on deck if you're doing anything with color or bleaching. You also want to make sure you're not rough handling this hair. Don't tug on it, don't scrub it. Just run your fingers through it. Try and get all the shampoo and debris out and run it through the water. Conditioner from Shimmer Lights, also purple, also smells great as well. So yeah, I do my second go around with that, and I do this twice, shampoo and conditioner. This little tissue paper on my nose is not the beat. After 15 minutes of recording, I finally realized my angle was off. And I adjusted a little bit. It's still not perfect, but I'm gonna get it right. Grow with me, like I said. Still rinsing his hair out, trying to get all this conditioner and shampoo out. You wanna make sure it's clean before you even put it on your head and try it. Look at these curls. Yes, God. Dripping. And that concludes my wig review for Jessica Hair from Amazon. I give it a 10 out of 10. I really enjoyed the hair. I'm not sponsored by them, just a happy customer.
So please like, comment, subscribe. Give me any tips, feedback that I could use in the future. Let's spread knowledge. Peace and light.